students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Stay at home, children. Today I am going to teach you social science class 5th, and the name of the chapter number 1, Know Your Planets. In previous video we will discuss about the shape of the earth and also what is a globe. Today we will discuss about our planet. The name of the chapter also Know Your Planet. That means हमें अपने planet के बारे में तो पता होना चाहिए. कौन सा planet? We all live on which planet? Okay. Now today's my topic is, and the name of the chapter is Know Your Planet. That is why I will discuss the planet of our solar system. Now let's begin today's class, beta. Today's topic, our topic for today is planets of the solar system, and the name of the chapter is also Know Your Planet. Now we'll continue. You know very well, beta, there are 8 planets in our solar system. You know very well. The 8 planets in the increasing order of distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. That means, beta, there are 8 planets in our solar system. और sun के सबसे पास में कौन है? Then after increasing order of distance from the sun, इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिखा गया है. इसके बाद कौन है? मरकुरी, वीनस, देन अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न. ये ऑर्डर में सन से कितने डिस्टेंस पे हैं? दैट इज ऑन योर स्क्रीन. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, मरकुरी इज द फर्स्ट प्लैनेट इन आवर सोलर सिस्टम. वीनस इज आवर सेकेंड प्लैनेट इन आवर सोलर सिस्टम. अर्थ इज अ third planet in our solar system. And did you know we all live on Earth? Very good. Then the 4th planet in our solar system is Mars. Jupiter is the 5th planet in our solar system. Saturn is our 6th planet in our solar system. Uranus is the 7th planet in our solar system. And the last planet in our solar system is Neptune. These are the 8 planets in our solar system, and they have some qualities or specialities. I will tell you which type of quality and specialities they have. So students, you know very well, there are 8 planets in our solar system. They revolve around the sun in definite orbits. That means ये सारे sun के around घूमते. They revolve around the sun in a definite orbit. They have a definite orbit. इनके खुद के orbits होते हैं. They revolve around their definite orbits. Then Mercury, it is the first planet in our solar system, and it is the smallest planet in our solar system. And it is the quality of Mercury, as Mercury is nearest to the sun. सन के बिल्कुल पास में है. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली हॉट ड्यूरिंग द डे एंड एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड ड्यूरिंग द नाइट. रात में बहुत ही ठंडा प्लैनेट हो जाता है और दिन के टाइम इट इज़ वेरी हॉट. इट इज़ द टाइम टू डिस्कस अबाउट आवर सेकेंड प्लैनेट. आवर सेकेंड प्लैनेट इज वीनस, एंड इट इज़ द हॉटेस्ट एंड ब्राइटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल प्लैनेट. सारे प्लैनेट में ये गर्म और चमकने वाला planet होता है. As it can be seen in the morning and evening, it is called as the morning star or evening star. Students, we will see in the morning, that time we call morning star. During the evening we will see, that time we call evening star. That it is the time to discuss about our Earth. It is the 3rd planet of our solar system. You know very well, beta. Nearly 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, due to which the Earth is also called the blue planet. You know very well, 70% is covered with water and 30% is covered with land. That land and water. Water is more than land, that is why, or color of the water is also blue, that is why our Earth is called a blue planet. And one important thing is that beta, it is only on which life is known to exist. That means life is possible only on Earth. अगर किसी भी planet पे अगर life है तो सिर्फ हमारे Earth पर. Then it is the time to discuss about Mars. And the fourth planet of our solar system is Mars. It is also known as the red planet because of the presence of red soil and rocks. इस planet को red planet बोलते हैं. Why it is so? Because of the presence of red soils and rocks. यहाँ पे लाल कलर की मिट्टी and rocks हैं. That is why we called a red planet. Then the fifth and the largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet or largest planet in our solar system. It is so large that it can occupy nearly 1300 Earths inside it. ये इतना बड़ा होता है, इसलिए इसके अंदर 1300 अर्थ भी समा सकते हैं, which one? Jupiter. And the sixth planet, that is our Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. That means, which is the first largest planet in our solar system, beta? Very good, Jupiter. Jupiter is the first largest planet in our solar system, and second largest planet in our solar system is Saturn. And Saturn look like a yellowish in color. Its color is yellow. And the seventh planet is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet in our solar system. A thick layer of gas cover this planet. इस planet को एक thick layer ने cover कर रखा है, गैस की layer ने. And the last planet of our solar system is Neptune. Neptune is the last planet in our solar system, students. As this planet is farthest from the sun, ये सन से बहुत दूर है, सन से बहुत दूर है. आपको पता है, ऑर्डर में इसने बताया था, मरकुरी, वीनस, अर्थ, लाइक दैट. एज दिस प्लैनेट इज फारथेस्ट फ्रॉम द सन, ये सन से बहुत फार अवे, बहुत दूर है. दैट इज वाई कोल्ड विंड ब्लोज हियर एट वेरी हाई स्पीड. इसलिए यहाँ पर ठंडी हवाएं बहुत तेज़ी से चलती हैं. एंड Neptune is a cold planet also, beta. Today's that's all, students. That's enough to you. Meet you in the next video, beta. Goodbye.